This is Tyler with ProDrain, doing a video inspection of 2643 Northeast 43rd Avenue. Going from the cleanout that's underneath this cabinet. Got the sink, got the floor drain, and goes over to the bathroom. So, as soon as we go in the floor drain, you can see the back part, the left side of the screen, where it's some grease and soap there. The whole pipe for the first 10 feet had that, so I ran the cable in there, cleared it out. Now that all of the grime and grease is removed, you can see what's happening with this pipe a little better. You can see the orange, that's kind of the rust spot, and then it's black in the bottom. That black is where the cast iron pipe is deteriorating. So as I go forward, you can see the top of the screen where it's the rusty pipe is, and the bottom where the black is where it's deteriorating. Now you can see right if there's a section of pipe that's missing, and then you can see there's kind of some dirt and gravel there underneath the pipe. So this pipe is failing. See, there's a hole there, and then it's cracked along there. As you go forward, you can see that the black is continuing. There's pock marks where the pipe is wearing through. Okay, we get out near the floor drain. You can see there's more holes in the pipe. So the camera is turned on its side at this point. The left side of the screen is the bottom of the pipe, and you can see where it's just worn. It's worn through, and you're seeing the dirt in the ground. It's got some grease and soap build up in it, but yeah, that's the bottom. That's outside of the pipe. So there we come back in the pipe, and then now we got some more holes. You can see there, right. Okay, right to the top of the screen there, top right is where the floor drain ties in to it. So through here it's about 9 to 10 inches deep. Looks like there's a little screw that got in there somehow. So this line continues forward to the bathroom. Goes under the carpet, and then it goes right underneath the right door jamb. It's about 16 inches deep at that point. And it continues into the bathroom, goes over to the toilet. So now the right side of the screen is the bottom of the pipe. You can see there's a little bit of a gap where that joint is. So you can see the bottom of the pipe here, right on the right screen side of the screen. It's wore through here as well. You can see that the edge of the pipe, and then you can see where we're through, and we're seeing the dirt there. And another spot with a gap. Okay, so here we get to a point where at 45s, this spot is marked with a little black marker, and then it turns, goes directly under the toilet. This little black marker spot there as well. So this is the 4-inch main line. The toilet ties in the back of this, so it looks like the line is going to the right of the toilet. There's a bump out in the wall. The stack coming down from the upper bathroom is coming down in that wall chase there. The toilet must be going back into that because it doesn't tie in here. The laundry drain also goes around the bathtub and ties in the back by that stack. I'm going to go ahead and run a little bit of water in the bathtub because I didn't see where that tied in. We'll check that out. Okay, that's coming from the back as well. So when they added the laundry and the bathtub and the toilet, it all comes in the back. So they must be tying around the back of the toilet, the back of the bathtub, the back of the toilet, into that area where the stack comes down, and then they all drain out the front. So this is tying in here, basically right underneath the toilet. So the flange must be directly behind this 4-inch line. And then it heads out towards the street. This bigger 4-inch line appears to be in decent shape. I'm going to shut that water off. Typically these 4-inch lines last longer than the 2. They're thicker and they have more flow going through them. Can't see really very well on this 4-inch line. There's a clean out in the room behind the bathroom. That's where it ties in there. And it goes out the back of the house. And we tie into like a clay tile pipe. At this point, it's getting pretty hard to push, so I'll go ahead and pull it back. Clay tile looks like it's holding together okay. This 4-inch line, you can see some wear. But I don't see any holes. Okay. So we're back in the 2-inch line. That's where that hole is there. So this is under the kitchen, or under the bath. the bathroom floor in the basement bathroom. Okay, so this line needs replaced. The bottom of the pipe is going to continue to wear through to the point where the snake won't go through anymore. It'll just dig in the ground, and then you won't be able to go out and clean the line. So this is something you want to take care of. I think what's happening is you can see how that first 10 feet or so has a lot of wear. And I think it's some of that water is seeping out under the ground, and then it's leaving the soap and the grease, because the first 10 feet was the worst with the grease buildup. So as the water seeps into the ground, the soap and the grease stay there and build up and block the line. So when I got here, I was running water in the utility sink, in the laundry, flushing the toilet. It wasn't backing up at that point. Once I ran the camera in, I could see where it was building up in that first 10 feet. And then ran the snake to clear out the grease and build up, sludge build up, and then you can see those holes in the pipe. So this line needs replaced.